Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone application, then you have to enter contacts section, select contact which you want to add photo, then tap here, then tap edit this contact, then you have to tap on the camera icon to add photo to this contact. You can select one of the avatars from here. You can create your own avatar too. You can select one of image from gallery, or you can just open camera and take an image at this particular moment of the person for which you want to add a photo. I'll just select one photo from gallery. Oh my god. Let's select, for example, this photo. Then you can adjust it here, and then just tap done, and then save. And as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.